Burger truck.
Here comes the burger truck. It's a moving kitchen that serves delicious food to people in many places. The chef cooks burgers and snacks right inside the truck. It teaches us that working hard and sharing can make people happy.
Air ambulance.
The air ambulance flies high in the sky to help people in need. It carries doctors and nurses who work together to save lives. This shows us how important it is to help others quickly and with care.
Excavator.
Here's the excavator. It uses its strong arm to dig deep holes and move heavy dirt. Excavators help build roads, bridges, and buildings. They teach us about teamwork and how every job is important.
Bucket wheel excavator.
Look at this huge machine! The bucket wheel excavator uses a spinning wheel with buckets to dig up large amounts of soil. It reminds us how technology helps people do big jobs safely and efficiently.
Double-decker bus.
The double-decker bus is tall and colorful. People can ride on the top deck and enjoy the view of the city. It helps many people travel together, keeping the city clean and less crowded.
Motor grader.
Here comes the motor grader. It smooths the ground to make roads flat and safe to drive on. It reminds us that small details matter when we build something important.
Bulldozer.
The bulldozer pushes dirt, rocks, and sand with its large metal blade. It clears the way for new buildings, roads, and parks. It shows us that strength is useful when it is used to help and build.
Cold milling machine.
The cold milling machine removes old road surfaces to prepare for new, smooth ones. It helps recycle old materials, teaching us to care for the environment and reduce waste.
Dump trailer truck.
Here comes the dump trailer truck. It's pulled by a tractor head and carries sand, gravel, and stones. When it tilts its trailer, everything slides out quickly. It shows us that even heavy work can be done safely with the right machine.
Tow truck.
When a car breaks down, the tow truck comes to help. It tows vehicles safely to repair shops. The tow truck teaches us to help others when they are in trouble.
Yellow cabs.
The yellow cabs move around the busy city every day. They take people to work, school, and many other places. They remind us about service, safety, and being patient on the road.
Road header.
Deep underground, the road header cuts through rock to make tunnels for trains and cars. It shows how humans use technology to build safely, even in difficult places.
School bus.
The bright yellow school bus takes children to school safely every morning. It reminds us that learning and safety always come first.
Delivery truck.
The delivery truck brings boxes, groceries, and packages to homes and stores. It teaches us to be thankful for people who work hard to deliver what we need every day.